Whale.
Whale. One more time. Whale.
Whale. Whale.
Okay. How about this one?
Whale.
White. Okay.
Whale.
One more time. White. White.
Whale.
Okay. So this time, kung that, let us read and circle. Okay?
Page 37. See, listen, read, and circle. 1,
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Okay. Can you find the word dolphin here? Can you circle? Where is the word dolphin? Dolphin. Okay. Next one.
2,
Whale. Whale.
Okay. Whale. Okay. Next one.
3,
Phone.
Okay. So this time, kung that, okay, let's try this one. I want you to read all what is in this box. Okay?
Whale.
Okay. How do you read this one, kung that?
Whale.
This one first. This one? Watch.
Whale. What?
Watch. Okay, one more time. Watch.
What?
Okay, this one.
Whale.
Whale. One more time.
Whale.
Okay, next one.
Dolphin.
Okay, dolphin. Next one.
Swim.
Swim. Okay. How about this one?
Whale.
Whale. Okay, next.
Fish.
Fish. Next.
Prawn.
Phone. Next one.
Prawn.
White. White.
White.
Okay.
White.
Okay, next one. How about this one?
Prawn.
On. Next.
Fly.
Play. One more time. Play.
Fly.
Okay,
Fly.
next. Okay, this one.
Quiz. Quiz.
White. White.
White.
One more time.
White.
Okay, next.
Dolphin.
Okay, you read this one again. This one.
White.
White. One more time.
White.
White. Okay.
White.
So you remember how to read this one, okay? White. One more time. White.
White. White.
Okay, great job. Next one. So this time, kung that, I want you to read and write, okay? So can you read this one, kung that? Her.
Her.
Her. One more time. Her.
Her. Her.
This one. How you read this one?